Okay, I'm going to show you a quick demonstration of the problems in Chapter 2. This one I've already done is problem 2.7a. Just for ease of understanding, I've created some layers. You can see over here I have the layer called force, which is a white continuous line. I have the parallelogram layer, which is the line, construction lines I'm going to use to draw the parallelogram. The resultant line is a green line, and text will be on the text layer. So I drew my 40-inch line there, 1 inch per pound, and I drew a 70-inch line here at 1 inch per pound. I made my parallelogram right here and right here, and I connected with my resultant force line. Then I added the dimension. It was 80.6226 and the angle. So the answer to this problem is that the resultant is 80.62 pounds up and to the right. And this showed it at an angle of 30 degrees. If you look in the back of the book, they say the angle is 29.7. So I say that's close enough. Now I'll do B for you. And this is what I want you to do and be able to show me these drawings of your own work. So let me zoom out a little bit. Again, I'm not too familiar with AutoCAD, so I'm more used to working with Revit now, but I'll just pan over. That's what I'll do. Okay, so now I'm going to do problem 2, which has, problem B. It's found on page 20. And I'm going to work in my force layer first. And I'm going to draw a line that is 80 inches long for the 80-pound force. Then I'm going to draw a line at 45 degrees from that. Got my ortho on, turn that off. So I'm going to get that at 45 because that's what it says in the book. That's going to go 50 inches to the 50-pound force. So then I'm going to draw the parallelogram. I have a hard time saying that word. And I'm going to draw a line from here over there. And I'm just going to copy that one. It's easier. And I'll change that to the parallelogram layer. I wonder why I can't zoom out anymore. Let's see. View. Out. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to just bring this line over to there. Then I'm going to draw back on my resultant layer. Both of those forces are going toward the right. So I'm going to draw a line there to there. Then I will go to my text layer just for clarification purposes. And I'm going to draw an aligned dimension there to there. Zooming in, you can see that that's 120.39. And then I can do that angle, which is from there to there, there to there, 17 degrees. So I'm just going to check in the back of the book. 120.7 it says. 2.7b. 17 degrees. I think there's a mistake in this answer because those forces, it wouldn't be going down, it would be going up and to the right. The book says down. I don't see how it could possibly go down. If you disagree with me, let me know. But just for the answer to that, I'm going to say that, draw a little text box. And the resultant is 120.4 pounds going upward to the right at 17 degrees. It came out small again. I'm not sure why it does that. I'm not, like I said, not too used to this AutoCAD. Let me see. Okay, I'm back here. You can see I fixed that text, and there's number 2. I'll do one more from the bottom row. Let me label these so that you can remember. This one is 2.7a. This one is 2.7b. So now let me try one from the bottom. I'm going to do just for a little challenge. I'm going to do 2.7e. Okay, so this one, let's get back over here on our force. This one has a force going down. Well, this isn't going to be too hard, I don't think. Maybe it's tricking me, but I'm going to draw a force going down. Back on my ortho. 80 inches for 80 pounds. Then there's also a force going to the right. Perpendicular to that, so I can just go like that. 60. Since we're starting to go different directions, I'm just going to do little marks showing which direction I'm going. And this one went down. Okay, so this one actually, I'm going to move all of this up. Makes more sense to me that way. I think it's okay to do that. And then I'm going to draw my parallelogram line, which will be from the end of that one, straight down, and the end of that one, straight over. So then my force line, my resultant line, is going to go from there to the intersection of there. There's one of them. Oops, that's a little long. Get a little shorter, which is my arrowhead. Another one over here just so we can confirm which way the force is going. Now I will do an aligned dimension from there to there. Oops, I forgot to put it on my dimension layer. Got to do it right. Aligned from there to there. It says it's 100. And then the angle, do an angular dimension. From there to there, it's 37 degrees. Check in the back of the book. Let's see, I'm doing E. It's 100 pounds. Down and to the left, Okay, it has 53, so that would be the other angle. Right there. So yes, you can see that that's correct. So the answer to this one is resultant is 100 pounds down and to the left, 53 degrees from the horizontal. Okay, so I want you guys to do the rest of those now that you've seen me do 3 of them. And I need to see similar drawings like this to show me that you did them. That's going to be the end of this recording.